Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am bringing out my Blue Blood palette because I really wanted to do another tutorial for you guys. The first one I did was a little bit more wearable. This one is definitely a very dark, sexy, smoky eye. And I really like the way how this turned out. Now the first time I did it without a hitch. I really didn't have any problems, but of course I didn't film that, so I ran into some issues this time. So for the first tutorial I filmed with the Blue Blood palette, it was a little bit more toned down. This one is definitely a little bit more dark and sexy. It's got this blue-black smoky eye, and I really absolutely love it. So I just want to give you guys a word of caution. If you are going to recreate this look, do your foundation after your eyeshadow, just because of the fact that you will end up with a blue face because of all the fallout. But other than that, it is really easy to create, and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you want to see how I created this look with this palette, then just keep watching. Starting off this look, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Wealthy and put this all over my lid to set the primer. Taking my Sigma E40, I'm going to go in with the shade Blue Blood and put this high above my crease. Now going in with my Sigma E25, I'm going to take the shade Blue Monday, and I'm going to start with tapping motions and put this on the outer corner and work this into the crease. In my first trial doing this look, I did not cut my crease. However, in this video, I did. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Ocean Ice and put this on the lid portion of my eye. now using my ColourPop E1 brush, I'm going to take the shade Undertaker, and I'm going to put this on the outer portion of my lid. I really want to deepen up that outer corner. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big ol' thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!